Is your bathroom feeling cramped or outdated? At Andy Walker Construction Company, we specialize in bathroom extensions, remodeling and installations, creating stylish, functional, and relaxing spaces tailored to your needs. Every great bathroom starts with a solid plan. Our team works closely with you to design the perfect layout, maximize space and select high-quality materials for a seamless transformation. Need more space? We expertly extend and remodel bathrooms, incorporating modern layouts, additional storage and upgraded plumbing to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. From stylish fixtures to high-end finishes, we handle every aspect of the installation, delivering a luxurious, spa-like bathroom that enhances your home's comfort and value. Our clients love the results. With expert craftsmanship and attention to detail, we turn your dream bathroom into reality. Ready for a stunning bathroom upgrade? Contact Andy Walker Construction Company today for a free consultation. Let's build something amazing together.